Welcome back on board, everybody, to Funky D's Star TV News Time. Shegumi must be arrested if we are serious with the war against terrorism in Nigeria, a man said. Now, personally, I don't tell them, I say Gumi, that Gumi, now the leader of all these kidnappers. I know they talk about Boko Haram people, know they won't be their leaders already. But this kidnapping business in Nigeria, I don't tell them, I say this one another way of laundering money. Recently, you never took it when I made the video, some few days back. Another way of laundering money. Because they don't see, they don't feel they launder like the way when they take launder before. See, the Gumi himself, even the very first day, when he go meet these people in the bush, according to his claim, ladies and gentlemen, he was supposed to be arrested by the so-called lazy army people or police people in Nigeria. But they not do this man anything. They not investigate this man. The next thing when they do now to carry 800 million, ladies and gentlemen, carry give this crazy Gumi when they claim say in a cleric. But now deadly criminal in Agbada, he is the leader of this kidnapping rings in Nigeria. Maybe now be their CEO. Their CEO. Not only in the north, but the whole Nigeria. Okay? The people when they claim say that they fight for Nigerian people, when be the army people, when they tell us that they don't know how to go bomb Olo, the Gumi go inside forest, meet these people, he know where these people they stay, he know all their names, the man come back, nothing happened to the man. Army leave this man. When they claim say that they fight terrorism, then they look for people when they do this kidnapping. They won't do this, they won't do that. At the end of the day, they will come back in a negotiation. Even the Gumi come out, open mouth, tell the Nigerian government, say, make them give this kidnapping people, make them give them money, the bandits. Then money, they need, now money, then they chop. Say, if they give them the money, then go stop kidnapping. If they don't give them money, they don't go stop kidnapping. Army not arrest this Gumi. They not put the Gumi for jail. They not interrogate Gumi. Gumi, see today they carry 800 million. Give Gumi. That is compensation for going to see the bandit people. So a man now, we go read later. The right say Gumi have to be arrested. Gumi must be arrested if we are serious with the war against terrorism in Nigeria. If they not arrest Gumi, now we say nothing. Not be only Gumi, them plenty, brother. These people, the Fulani people, them plenty, they know what they are doing. But it can't be like say the person when write this when they talk say na man na Omukri. Omukri the America they write all these things. After he don't follow destroy Nigeria. Now the thing when I want to tell Omukri. After he don't follow destroy Nigeria, he did America, they write all these things. All these people are guilty for waiting they don't cause to Nigerian people. Omukri serve under Jonathan. We not see waiting Jonathan do. Jonathan and Madueke looted our treasury, empty our treasury. At the end of the day, then they blame Sowore because Sowore exposed them. Every time this man hates Sowore with passion. He hates Sowore with passion. But he forget the role when he played during the time when he did into government with the good Lord Jonathan. Good Lord Jonathan and Madueke, we know what they do to Nigerian people. So, in this platform, brother, as he be, I will tell you, we know what good Lord Jonathan do with the Madueke. Even this shooting now when they go shoot, this killing when they go killing in Olo, this fight when they fight in Olo, Jonathan as a Biafra man never still speak against it. Then every day, Omukri they come out, even in claim say, oh, in the name the baby after Goodluck Jonathan. All of them follow destroy Nigeria. So Omukri, Funky D, want not be Sowore, okay? Funky D want take this opportunity, ask you, what did you they do for America? When you dey feel say una don make Nigeria better and una wan still make Nigeria better, because all this propagation wey you dey propagate na because say you dey propagate for your political party wey be PDP, wey bring Nigerian people down. PDP don reign for over 16 years. Wetin you dey do in America if you and your Goodluck Jonathan too much make Nigeria better? Before we go into wetin in yan. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we go inside this matter, we want to concern Omukri and Gumi. We want to learn what Omukri talk about Gumi. The same thing, when in the Nyan, we don't tell Nigerian people, if you are serious, so you they fight anything, all these people, you must to arrest them right now. This Gumi, now then they bring destruction to that country. They don't need to tell you that one. Say this Gumi, now the leader, the ringleader of the whole kidnappers in Nigeria. Just like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, now the Jagaban of the whole criminals in West Africa. Not only Nigeria again, no, West Africa. So I don't tell you, Omukri, leave Sowore alone. Sowore they do good job. Everybody know who Sowore be. Sowore not corrupt like you. You work with a corrupt politician. Till today, my question to you, Omukri, before I go into your matter right now, waiting your Goodluck Jonathan don yarn about the killings when they kill the Biafran people. If you dey claim say Goodluck Jonathan na good man when supposed come back to power, or if you dey claim say your PDP people na them be the good people to rule Nigeria again, waiting, even Atiku Abubakar, waiting the yarn, Omukri. Now my question with that, ladies and gentlemen, I say make una dey subscribe. Make we go meet Gumi, how Gumi take negotiate and how they go take arrest this Gumi immediately. Nigeria can never be better if people like this, like Gumi, not go jail. If people like Bola Tinubu not go there for jail, if people like Atiku Abubakar not there for jail, Babangida, all of them, or Obasanjo, Sebanjo, all of them, Dino Malaye, name them, Femi Fani-Kayode, all of them. The whole northern governors and ministers, the ones who don't serve before and the ones who are still there, the people when they are so raw, all of them, if they're not there jail, forget you are killing your time. The only thing when we solve all this mess when they Nigeria, na Biafra to go. Call now one Nigeria from here to America. Stand in one Nigeria from here to America. Na so Soros, una go dey see. Nigeria is already a cursed nation. Not be better country, be that country when be Nigeria. Even Idris Abdulkarim Singam say Nigeria na jaga many years ago. Wetin Obasanjo do? The man be dey tell the Nigerian people the truth. Obasanjo chased this guy come out from Nigeria, even banned his music. Can you see these people? That is why I tell them, I say, if Nigeria want to be Nigeria, one Nigeria to be good, to work for every Nigerian people, all these politicians, they need to flush them out. Una get problem. That country get big problem. Esme no go live on alone. The Boko Haram can never, ever leave that country. Answer for where? For where? For where? ISIS, until the caliphate people then bring Nigeria down. Until they Islamize that country, nobody will be free. Until Biafra go, nobody will be free. And nobody can chase away Hesme and Boko Haram. All this killing, all this kidnapping, they just the start. They just the start. Nobody will bring these people down. Rather, now these people will bring Nigeria down to the pit of hell. If Biafra not go, and Biafra must to go, whether or not like it or not. So, to Gumi, we did now. Sheikh Gumi is a respected scholar in the north. The Sheikh is respected among the Hausa people. The Sheikh Gumi entered the forest to meet with the bandit. The bandit kidnapped the Kangara student in Niger State. The students were yet to be released. Sheikh Gumi went to the forest to see the bandit. They took pictures with the bandit in the forest. Now the picture now they won't tell us and how it take go inside forest. They not tell us how they want to take arrest the man. Make it go show them where those kidnappers they, and then tell us say that they find the kidnappers. The army they look for the kidnappers. The army is then they on top the matter. But Sheikh Gumi, when una supposed go, I don't tell you this thing before. Nigeria can never walk. Sheikh Gumi when they supposed arrest, and I know where these people they. Now be the third party according to them. A third party when Sabi call money for the money. Now they give them bill. Now they give government bill when they go pay to these bandit people. And army did that. They say that they look for them. And they say Sheikh Gumi don't go there come back. They are not carry Sheikh Gumi. May go show them where these people they. They say that they find bandits. I wonder. A man has reacted to Rhino Omukari post. Rhino Omukari is a Christian from the southeastern part of Nigeria. He has been criticizing Sheikh Gumi for his action. Rhino said Sheikh Gumi entered the forest freely to negotiate with the bandit. He came out telling Nigerians that we must give the bandit blanket amnesty. Can you imagine? He go, he enter, he come back, he enter, he come back. And then they tell say, oh, may not give them blanket amnesty. May not give them 1 billion. And they paid the money. They paid 800 million instead of 1 billion. Rhino Omukari was President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan aide. He worked with the former President Ebele Goodluck Jonathan before he is still loyal to him. He even named his daughter after him. I don't tell her before. I never read this thing before, but I've already seen it in one article. See, Rhino Omukari, they give his daughter name. Yes, it's a new daughter. Name after Goodluck Jonathan. Now that they tell you here now. Rhino Omukari said, imagine that someone like Bishop Mike Okonkwo enter Southeast Forest and interact with the ESN and IPOB at will. Will he still be free man? I don't ask for all this question before in one of my last video. That is why I thank God to say somebody like Rhino Omukari, they watch Funky D. But even though say you they watch Funky D, if you are wrong, Funky D go tell you say, brother, you know they do well, oh. Like waiting you they do show water, you are not doing it well. You are not doing it well. And no, all these things I don't tell them. Say, look, if to say somebody go enter inside bush, go meet IPOB or somebody go see IPOB, whether the person go day free, for where you want day free, how you want take day free, you must show them where that IPOB day. Then go arrest you, that they torture you, even with the blood in your faces and mouth and everywhere. Now that you go take carry them, go show them where IPOB or ESN day. If then after showing them, they will still kill you on top. Kill the people when they go visit. I mean the army people. If to say the southeastern part of the country, you are not going to be free. How are you going to be free? How come? So imagine somebody like this man when they give example. For real, go meet ESM people where they in the forest. Come out, come the news. Oh, I don't go negotiate with ESM people. Make Nigerian government give ESM people money. For example, ladies and gentlemen, that man, when that man take talk that talk when he talk, now where in the air that his experience with ESN, now there soldiers go arrest him. And now there, from there, after they don't torture the man, they will carry him. He go carry them go meet the ESN people where ESN people they hide inside bush. That is the level of impunity when they Nigeria. I just give an example. The same example I don't give before. In many of my videos, now him or Mo Christi they give. How you want to go free? That is it. Why they not arrest Gumi? Even give Gumi 800 million, ladies and gentlemen. Is that right? Which kind of nonsense governance is that? They continue, ladies and gentlemen. Will he still be free man? Can you even conceive of Pastor Adeboye going to Ikorodu to meet with a Badu cultist and then asking government to give them amnesty? Yet, Shegumi enters our forest to meet bandit and killer herdsmen at will. Insecurity is not our main issue. Hypocrisy is. We never seen Gumi visiting victims of bandits or call for justice for those murdered by them. He went to Niger without paying a condolence visit on the Kangara student. But he had enough time to meet terrorists and advocated for them. 4.105. Do not be an advocate for the deceitful. Rhino is making sense today. Shegumi must be arrested if we are serious with the war against terrorism. Okay? If we are serious with the war against terrorism. I thank God, say, people like Reno Omukari, then they listen. Even though, say, I still blame him for condemning Showore, and I still they blame him. Because we don't know what they do for America. Now, all of them put Nigeria the way when it be. Sometimes the man, they make sense, but sometimes the man, not they make sense. Okay? Likewise, everybody. You can still say that to me. When you see say I not make any sense. Now so life be. But let's be sincere. If to say Gumi really they meet all these people when be victim of all these things when they happen. It will be a different thing. The same Gumi, now he them pay that 800 million give, ladies and gentlemen. The same Gumi, they talk say, oh, these people they need money. They say that because of school when they not get to, they say because they not get water. They say because of they not get road. Now only them not get water. Now only they not get road in Nigeria. So all these things when they talk, now they make any sense. Remember, the same group of Boko Haram and herdsmen people tell government say or tell Nigerian people say Western education not make any sense. Therefore, their Quran or their religion. Any way you want put them, nor advise them. That is why they go kidnap students everywhere in the northern part of Nigeria. So, how it can make sense, see, the Nigerian army, when they do propaganda, see that they fight Boko Haram, then they fight insurgency, then they fight insecurity situation, then they fight this, then they fight that. Now, then see access. Somebody was supposed to give them intelligence regarding where these people they hide in the forest. The man go, come out. He go there, come out. They're not arrest him. They're not ask him anything. They're not telling say, Gumi, come. We want to ask you something. Where these people they stay? They don't do that. They don't even follow Gumi go that place. Maybe hide somewhere to see where Gumi won't enter. Nothing. They not go bombard that place where Gumi don't go come back. Nothing. Yet IPOB, ESN, they not do anything. These people, they carry bomb. See that they find IPOB people because they're not there in collaboration with Nigerian government. That is nonsense, ladies and gentlemen. Pure nonsense. IPOB or ESN cannot be in collaboration with any fake one Nigerian law or government, because once ESN integrate with Nigerian people or Nigerian government or Nigerian forces, that is the end of even the coming of Biafra. That is the end of Nnamdi Kanu, ladies and gentlemen. They will destroy everything completely. Once ESN enter, or maybe they give the kind of carry the structure, for example, give them, oh yeah, we're gonna handle the structure. Now we don't come together. That will be the end of the agitation of Biafra. They can never try that, and they will never try that because the Biafran people not be Nigerian people. Any day when anyone will make mistakes, say in the collabo with Nigerian government from the southeastern part of the country, maybe all this establishment, when another country established, that is the end. That is why we got to continue to pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to live long, to achieve this fight when in the fight in truth and in spirit. Because none in Nigeria like Nnamdi Kanu, never a person like Nnamdi Kanu. We have to continue to pray for God guidance of Nnamdi Kanu and his family. Make I give honest. What's my example with Amotekun? Amotekun carry their structure, give police people. Look at Amotekun today is mesmerized. Last time, 9 policemen go knock Amotekun throw away, shoot him for leg. They cover the news. They say Funkidi no go see the news. We saw it. A policeman, big policeman, a Yoruba man for that matter, go shoot Amotekun corps member. The other one, scamper, enter bush. Then they too. Okay? The policeman they claim say in over here the Amotekun people when they talk say they won't come kill him for inside the office. All na lie. Why do they have that? The policeman have that right to do that thing? Now because say their governing body, people when they lead Amotekun, they don't carry their structure, carry give the same useless police people. When not even fit capture even ordinary thief, when not get gone. So Amotekun now not be any security outfit in the Yoruba land. It's a corrupt organization, just like the lazy police people when we get in Nigeria. As soon as they carry that thing, give them that they are done. Now the thing when the people, the leaders from Igbo land, they claim say Nnamdi Kanu not do. He's supposed to work with Nigerian government. He's supposed to work with the police people. They're supposed to enter each other. Look, that is why once again we will continue to pray. God already given Nnamdi Kanu that wisdom to lead, to be a leader, a confirmed leader of the Biafran people. Whether you like it or not, Nnamdi Kanu is the confirmed leader ordained from heaven. A leader of Biafran people. And truly, he must surely take all of us to the promised land, when be the sovereign state of Biafra. We have to acknowledge the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, I see make una dey subscribe and make una dey share my videos. One love. See you guys next time. Bye for now.